Myself Savita Pinto. I am lecturer of Polymer Technology. On behalf of Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, I am going to present the experiments of Physical Chemistry Lab. Now I am going to present the experiment number 6, that is prepare the standard solution of oxalic acid and standardization of potassium permanganate. The content of this session, aim of the experiment, principle, procedure, observation and calculation, and result. So aim of this experiment, that is preparation of standard solution of potassium permanganate and standardization of the oxalic acid. Principle, oxalic acid is dissolved in known volume of the solvent and titrated against potassium permanganate. Strength of the sodium hydroxide is calculated. Procedure, preparation of 0.1 normal standard oxalic acid. Weighed accurately a dash gram of oxalic acid into clean 250 ml volumetric flask using a funnel by transferring method of weighing. Add little distilled water, dissolve and make up to the mark. Shake well for uniform concentration and find out the normality of the solution prepared. Next, after the preparation of oxalic acid, we are going to estimate the potassium permanganate. Clean all the apparatus with distilled water and rinse the burette and pipette with the solution to be used. Fill the burette with potassium permanganate and note down the initial reading. Now pipette out 25 ml of standard oxalic acid into clean conical flask. Titrate against potassium permanganate till the solution give pale pink color, which is the end point. Note down the burette reading. Repeat the experiment for agreeing values. So, clean the weighing bottle. So weigh the oxalic acid crystals, 3.15 gram of oxalic acid crystals. So transfer all the crystals into the beaker. So dissolve that crystals. So fill the water till the mark. Fill the water till the mark of the standard flask. Shaken well for the uniform concentration. Now 0.1 molar oxalic acid is now the estimation of the potassium permanganate. So fill the burette with potassium permanganate, 0 reading, 0 up to the 0. Here, this is the potassium permanganate, and take pipette, rinse the pipette with the oxalic acid solution, standard oxalic acid solution, and pipette the oxalic acid solution and transferred into the conical flask. Pipette the 20 oxalic acid solution we took 20 ml of the pipette. So to mark, we have to pipette here. And transfer to the conical flask. And then one full test tube of dilute sulfuric acid is added to the conical flask, and heat that solution 50 degrees Celsius, and immediately we have to titrate this solution against potassium permanganate. So while doing titration, we have to shake the solution, and at the end point we have to get light pale pink color. This is our end point. Next, calculation, observation and calculation. Mass of the weighing bottle with oxalic acid crystals at least taken as a W1 gram. Mass of the empty weighing bottle W2 gram. Mass of the oxalic acid transferred to the 250 cm cube of standard flask W1 minus W2. Then normality of the solution, mass into equivalent mass. Then we will get normality of the solution. Next, titration of 25 cm cube of oxalic acid solution against potassium permanganate solution. So here we have to take we have to do the 3 trials, and we have to note down the 3 readings, that is initial reading, final reading of 3 trials. Then here we have to take the mean of this trial values, and then we have to calculate the strength of the potassium permanganate solution, that is V1N1 is equal to V2N2 of oxalic acid. This is the volume of the potassium permanganate, what we are getting here. N1 is the strength of the potassium permanganate we have to calculate, and V2 is the volume of the oxalic acid added, and N2 is the strength of the oxalic acid. Then we have to calculate the mass of the potassium permanganate in 250 cm cube of the solution. So here normality into equivalent mass, we have to take the normality of the potassium permanganate into equivalent mass of the potassium permanganate divided by 25. Then result, strength of the oxalic acid, strength of the potassium permanganate solution, mass of the potassium permanganate present in 250 ml solution. Thank you.